Research supports that simply providing information or guidance is not enough to make health changes. For change to happen, the motivation has to come from within the individual rather than an outside source. This happens to be one of the many skills health coaches excel at. Health coaches encourage their clients to change by allowing them space and support to come to their own conclusions, while also providing the appropriate health coaching support and tools for change. What sets health coaches apart from more traditional methods of providing guidance or education? Health coaches encourage their clients to explore and resolve their own resistance to change by exploring both the positives and negatives of change using specific skills, including health coaches ask the right questions to get the information they need and also to allow their clients space to explore all sides of their own health situations. Health coaches express an understanding of their client's perspective by reflecting the client's statements back to them to show they truly understand their situation. Health coaches collaborate on all goals and plans based solely on their client's goals versus their coaching recommendations. Health coaching is one of the most effective methods for encouraging change at a one-on-one level. Of course, with training as a functional diagnostic nutrition FDN practitioner, you will have the skills and tools that separate you from other practitioners. This is why FDN Health Coaches never run out of potential clients, making them the most successful in the world of health and wellness. And that's it for this week's Functional Diagnostic Nutrition Vlog of the Week. Isn't it time you help your clients on a deeper level?